In the heart of Portugal, Beira Baixa region, between Fundão and Castelo Branco, there is a place where nature, comfort and tranquility exist in perfect harmony. Welcome to Azinheira Country House. Located in the beautiful village Zebras, this property 2.8 hectares of pure nature. Perfect balance between residential, agriculture and tourism potential. The house, recently renovated, was designed to provide comfort throughout every season of the year. Only 2 hours to the beach and around 1 hour to the ski resort. Outside, swimming pool, barbecue area, laundry room, garage, and by night the experience continues. More than a property, a way of life. Hello everyone, joaodias, real estate consultant in the center of Portugal, and today I'm in a beautiful property, very beautiful, singular, with the house, swimming pool, the best views in the area with the Gardunha mountain and the village around, and I want to present you. Hope you like it. Here, the principal houses, so let's start to present here. In front of the swimming pool, at north you have the Gardunha mountain, the beautiful views and a lot of sun, granite stones, barbecue area, garage and more silence. Okay, in that house you have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets, a kitchen, a room, and in the total is 2 floors. You have a lot of light houses, in my opinion. The orientation from the sun, it's perfect, I think. Okay, you have a lot of light inside the house. I think it's very important that the stairs for the first floor, but I'm going there after. First, I want to present the kitchen and the room. All the division have access directly to the garden. Okay, I think it's very important, very comfortable. And here the breakfast area if you want it, or dinner area. Very nice. That is the breakfast area or dinner area, and maybe a tea time, middle of the afternoon. And the houses I want to present now. Again, inside the house, the room now. I think it's very nice because all the time, I know I say that, but I think all the time you have a lot of light inside the house. Kitchen, remember, and of course you have access directly to the swimming pool and the garden. One terrace more is the same. I present you that way. Remember, sure, that chair and that table. All that olive oils you see here, almost 2 hectares and a half, their part and that part stay inside the property. Okay, that property is 2.9 hectares. Okay, with around 2.2 hectares with the olives for chips. In that moment you have chips there, and if you want to maintain with the animals, it's okay. If you want to do another option, it's okay too. Now let's see the first floor. 3 bedrooms, remember, that is the first. Okay, you have there's for the swimming pool too, and at the same time you have another windows for the second room. Okay, that is one, that is another, and that is the views with the 2 rooms. That mountain is the Gardunha mountain, the mountain more important you have it in the region, and very, very beautiful. Another area, it's flat. You have kilometers with beautiful views. The second room here, nice room again. The principal character is the light in that house, very, very nice. The first room I present you, and that is the second. The toilet to support that 2 rooms. You have windows for natural light too. Okay, and now the principal room, the suite principal with the house. The views is the same, amazing for another part of the property, but amazing. Okay, I think it's very beautiful, that, in my opinion. The bedroom, sorry, it's very big, nice area, closet area. I think very, very good, principal for the woman normally. The toilet private inside the room, that is the door to enter. Okay, the toilet here, and here you have the access for the more beautiful terrace I stayed. That's the truth. You have a lot of sun. Okay. Very, very beautiful views, peace, silence, only listen the birds and the little animals. I think it's amazing. The property going that way, touching that roof, that is a horsing school. At the moment it's closed, but 15-20 years he worked. At the moment it's closed, nobody using that, but it's a horsing school. Property going there, turn back down. The going there in that fence, okay, that olive stay inside, and in the center of the terrace you see another door there, because the property have 2 access, perfect access to that way. You have the principal enter, all the olives you see, and that big trees is the boundary, okay, and you have the principal door here, stay in the middle of the village, fence down. But if you want to create different space, different areas, maybe a tourism area there, you have another access for that way, okay, if you want it. If you don't want it, it's all inside the property and only need to enjoy. If you want to create a different space, you have all that area, the main garden stay there, all that olives and that part inside too. Of course, if you don't want it, only need to enjoy, because all that stay inside the property I want to present you today. Now let's check out the rest of the part of the property. Let's walking around there. Okay, here I try to explain with that beautiful terrace, all that area stay inside. the property. Okay, it's inside to the 2.9 hectares. If you want do a tourism or something, it's possible doing here. Actually, you already have a little project with the tiny ounce I put here, and they have price and all for that, but not finished that, only analyze, and that's it. Don't have anything around, only peace, nature and beautiful views. That fence is only for create different space for the animals, okay, that fence, not the boundary. All the parts, that all stay inside the property, okay, and that stay too. Only for organize, and you have more area for the animals eat. Today stay here, tomorrow stay there, and change that. And now you don't stay anywhere, because the summer coming, and only sleep with the lunchtime. I think it's possible. You see there the sheeps. Yeah, you have two donkeys there, but in the neighbors, I think you can see that. Let's stay there. Another garden, okay, an access, different areas, but the same property. Going down the access there, it's very it's perfect. Yeah, if you want to enter with a truck there, it's possible. Okay, maybe more easy than that property because it's in the middle of the village, the part where I'm going now. And now near the garage and the laundry, the barbecue area. Very nice space for lunch, dinner. I take a break with the friends or for working at home. Okay. Views for the swimming, the principal houses have all the conditions here for take a great time. Okay. Inside the bar, little kitchen, and the bar with access to the windows for the terrace. That is for a garden, and that's it. The bar, all equipment, the access to the dinner table. I think very nice space for enjoy the time with the friends and a family. Now I want to go that part for continuing to see the beautiful views you have it, and maybe the area more important with the house, that the children area. I think almost the time it's very important. That here the laundry and the garage with a big laundry here. Okay. All the equipment you needed stay here. Okay, and the garage, big area, around 100 meters more or less. That very big. Depend the car you have it, but 2-3 cars it's easy. And that's it. If you need any information about that property, please contact me. All my contacts stay in the description of that video. It's a pleasure, try to help, okay? And see you in the next video.